Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. The Ring second-generation indoor cam brings smart home security indoors with compact design and powerful features. It offers 1080p HD video, two-way talk, motion detection, and real-time alerts, so you can keep an eye on your home from anywhere, whether it's your living room, nursery, or office. What's in the box? Ring second-generation indoor cam. Privacy cover attached to the camera. 10-watt USB-A power adapter. 6.5 feet USB-A to micro USB charge cable. Install hardware. Setup guide. Warranty and safety document. Security sticker. Technical specifications. The Ring Indoor Cam features a durable polycarbonate body with a flexible swivel mount, and it's available in white, black, blush, and starlight color options to match different interiors. It records in sharp 1080p Full HD resolution and supports color night vision, powered by a reliable CMOS image sensor for clear and detailed footage. The camera offers a wide field of view with 1,143 degrees diagonal, 115 degrees horizontal, and 59 degrees vertical coverage, along with smooth video performance at up to 30 frames per second and digital zoom support. For nighttime monitoring, it uses infrared night vision with color night vision support to maintain visibility even in low light. You also get two-way talk with noise cancellation, allowing clear communication through the camera. In terms of connectivity, it works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and is fully compatible with Android and iOS devices through the Ring app. It integrates seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices for convenient smart control. For storage, it uses cloud recording through the Ring Protect subscription service. The camera is powered by a USB-C power adapter with cable for reliable indoor use, and it's designed strictly for indoor environments, operating in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius or -4 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Product features. Enjoy crisp 1080p HD video with excellent detail, balanced contrast, and accurate colors. Whether it's bright daylight or low light conditions, color night vision helps maintain clearer visibility, so you can easily recognize faces and important details inside your home. Take full control of your privacy with the built-in manual cover. Simply slide it closed to physically block the camera lens and disable both video and audio recording, giving you added reassurance whenever you need it. Stay instantly informed with real-time motion notifications sent directly to your phone. Advanced pre-roll captures a few extra seconds before the motion event, providing helpful context so you can see exactly what happened leading up to the alert. Communicate clearly through the Ring app using the built-in microphone and speaker. With noise cancellation for improved clarity, you can check in on family members, talk to pets, or respond to activity in the room from anywhere. App connection. Start by downloading the Ring app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the app and either sign into your existing Ring account or create a new one. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are turned on, as these are required for the setup process. In the app, tap Set up a device and select Security Cams, then your cam from the list. Scan the QR code or a Mac ID barcode found on the back of your Ring cam or in the packaging. Follow the in-app prompts to give your device a name and specify its location in your home for better organization and alerts. The app will guide you through connecting the cam to your Wi-Fi network. If a firmware update is needed, allow it to complete automatically. Once the setup is finished, Test the live view and motion alerts to make sure video, audio, and notifications are working properly, ensuring your camera is ready to keep your home secure. How to install. Start by inserting the USB-C power cable firmly into the back of the indoor cam. Push it in until it sits securely in place. The connector should feel snug and slightly recessed when properly connected. If you notice slight resistance, gently wiggle the plug while applying light pressure to ensure it is fully seated for a stable power connection. Next, connect the power adapter to a standard wall outlet near your desired installation spot. Make sure the outlet provides consistent power and avoid using loose or unstable sockets. Once plugged in, the camera will power on automatically, indicating that it's ready for positioning. For tabletop use, simply position the camera on a stable, flat surface with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. For wall mounting, remove the base using a Phillips head screwdriver, reattach it to the back of the camera with the up arrow facing upward, secure the mounting bracket to the wall using the included screws, then slide the camera onto the bracket and plug it in. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved power sources. Protect from water and moisture. Clean gently. Mount securely. Keep firmware and software updated. Product comparison. The Ring 2nd Generation Indoor Cam has a sleek polycarbonate body with a flexible swivel mount, designed for indoor use with a stylish, modern look and a built-in privacy cover for extra security. The Wyze Cam V3 uses a compact, durable plastic body with IP65 weather resistance, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use in various environments. Ring Indoor Cam records in 1080p Full HD with color night vision, providing clear and vibrant footage day and night with excellent detail. Wyze Cam V3 also delivers 1080p HD video, but includes a starlight sensor for brighter, sharper, and more detailed low light and night vision performance. Ring stores footage securely in the cloud via a Ring Protect subscription and connects easily over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for reliable performance. Wyze Cam V3 offers cloud storage, optional micro SD local storage, and connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, providing flexible options for different smart home setups. Pros and cons. The Ring 2nd Generation Indoor Cam delivers crisp 1080p Full HD video with color night vision, giving clear and vibrant footage day and night. It features two-way talk with noise cancellation, a manual privacy cover for full control, and a sleek, compact design that fits seamlessly. Motion alerts with advanced pre-roll provide extra context, while Alexa integration allows easy voice control. Setup is simple, and performance is reliable and consistent. On the downside, it's for indoor use only, requires a Ring Protect subscription for cloud storage, and has no local micro SD option. The 143-degree field of view is slightly narrower than some competitors. It only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and lacks a built-in siren, pan/tilt, and advanced AI detection. Despite these limitations, it's affordable, energy efficient, and a solid, easy-to-use solution for keeping an eye on your home. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.